Plup going Samus.
People have been talking about his sheet today, man. I want to see his sheet now. Hold on.
Good read by Gannon. Well, we all know Plup, but Ultros actually happens to be a friend of mine.
What'd you say, man?
I said we all know Plup, obviously, but Ultros is actually a friend of mine.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Palatine.
Okay.
I live in Chicago now, and he goes to U of I. Yeah, he's a pretty good Ganon. He plays Ganon in Melee somewhat.
Good Ganon, but about to
Plup,
get bodied right now.
Yeah, I mean, you know, he's not doing too badly. He's had a few good reads at neutral.
Hey, man, I'm always happy if I take one when somebody's way better than me.
Exactly.
I forgot Samus has so many cool skins in this game.
Yeah, Samus, they did a lot of work on her.
Like, that's a dirty looking skin right there.
That's
that blue.
Plup's controlling the space. He's just outmaneuvering Ultros, I think. Controlling the air and the ground.
Aw, if he didn't do that backhand, man, he would have had it.
That was a good fair. I think edge guarding Samus is pretty difficult again.
Just gotta wait it out, dude. Like,
yeah. That worked, I guess. I think Plup wants to make this JV.
Think he's gonna get that JV?
He's trying.
I don't know, man. One tap, just touch him, dude. Just touch him. Get that percent.
Nuke him.
Oh, I got it. Damn.
Whoa, that was a slow roll.
It's a convincing first game, man.
Yeah, the punish game was rough, and the neutral game was rough for Ganon.
I'm so excited to drink this. I've been sitting here for so long, and I need something to drink.
I'm happy for you, man. Dreamland. Ganon, I know Ultros likes to go to Dreamland because he can survive really well with Ganon.
Right.
But of course, Samus can survive.
Yeah, you don't kill Samus here.
Yeah. But, I mean, as Ganon, you can.
You can, but...
Fair is always...
Bumming on some food. Check these music.
Good new effort.
Who chose these music? I can't read. This is Zorn's Godlike Music Pack, dude. If you check out the Windy City Smash Facebook page, it should be posted on there.
I think Ultros is playing too aggressive right now. He needs to chill out and like learn Plup a bit. I mean,
feel him out a little.
Yeah, he's trying to like, I think maybe show that he's not afraid. But you just gotta play the game and not worry about that.
Oh, I thought I was gonna see a charge blast. I love when people are consistent with the super wave dash.
They consistently what?
Consistent with the super wave dash.
Oh yeah, that's incredible. Oh.
Sure, went too hard, man.
Went too hard.
All right, so.
Good set.
Plup takes a quick 2-0. We got Octorok